Welcome. In this video, we're looking at HashCalc. We're going to be using HashCalc as one of our primary tools for looking at hash values of different file types. So, I want to look at, I have some test files. I want to look at test1.bitmap. I want to look at the MD5 and the SHA-1, and that's it. So here are our hash values for that document. If there's any change whatsoever, then our values are going to be slightly different. So let's go ahead, let's document them. Our MD5 and our SHA-1. We're going to make a slight modification to it and show that our variations I want to right click because I want to edit it. I don't want to do it in, I want to do it in Paint. I added a line, that's it. I don't want to completely destroy the file, so I want to call this bitmap 1A. Save it on my desktop. Again, all I did was added apparently 2 dots. So let's go ahead and let's again, we want to pull out the MD5 and SHA-1. We're going to calculate them and we will verify them. MD5, SHA-1. Copy it in. All right, so let's compare the two. This is our MD5. Again, all we did was add a line, and we can see that they are significantly different. Any modification to a file will show that they're not identical. The integrity of the file can be verified by doing the hash value of a file. We will hash just about everything that we do to show that we are working with a very specific file for repeatability, meaning if I am working with PCAP3 or evidence 3, I will hash it. In my report, I will note the hash. That way, anyone that comes after me, if they're working with evidence 3 and they hash it and they receive the same hash, then they know that they are working with the same exact file. The integrity has been verified by comparing the hashes and the hashes being the same. Sometimes hashes for the same file using different methods may be different. In that case, we would use a second or a third hashing tool to verify. In my report, if I was writing this up, I would note that I am using HachCalc. I use this file on this date. These are my values. I may even throw the version of the software that I'm using. That way, whoever comes in after me, if they use the same tool, the same version, they should receive the same values. We will be doing labs looking at different ways to do our hashing, but for now, our primary tool will be HachCalc. Thank you. If you have any questions or concerns, please reach out.